Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to present indeterminate checkbox widget. Indeterminate checkbox means partially unchecked. So here you can see in this example it is given unchecked, and when it is get checked, or you can say the select all, but in that scenario any of the checkbox is not checked or a partially unchecked, which is form as a indeterminate checkbox. So let's see the example. So here in this example, both group is unselected or unchecked. So while I click here, it will get selected all and it will give the count of the selected checkbox item. So here it is like one of the checkbox or any of the checkbox, if I make unchecked, the indeterminate will get appeared. So once again, if I click on this, it will get select all and the count will get increased. So same way, if I uncheck, it will get 0 and total count is total elements is unchecked and total count is 0. So here in the same way it is also created, where we have the grouping of like skill set, UI, UX and the CX. So if I click here, it will get selected all, and if I uncheck this, so it is partially checked, then it will show the indeterminate and the count will get decreased. So let's see how to create this using Figma variable and collection. So here it is very easy way to create this. I'm going to use the same variable, just changing the collection or the mode. So first we'll come to the local variable. Here already I have created like two variant 1 and variant 2. Now I'm going to create one more variant, which is variant 3, and I'm going to add one more item. So how we can add, we can see here. So I'm getting increase this 8 to 9. So while you want to add one more item or a number of item 10, 12 or any number of item, you can add that number here, which is the total option. Why? Because we have used the condition here, so for that reason I'm going to add the total option. Now the 9, I'm going to duplicate this, and here I'm going to say 10. So already I have used this 8. Okay, so no need of 10 right now, just will use till 9, and the total is 8, so we can say this 9. Okay, now next, here first we can create the variant. So number of variants you can create. Second, total option, if you want to increase the total number of options, so you can add one more, just duplicate it and you can add, and here you can give the number. Next step is just select this entirely and copy this. I'm using the Alt from the keyboard, and this is the variant 2. So now I'm going to click here and layer, so you can get the collection here, and in this collection I'm going to select the variant 3. So that's it. Now the next, I'm going to add here one more option. So we'll start with this. Okay, just copy this, Control C and Control V. So here I have used the auto layout, which is increase the data easily, and here we can edit this, and I can say this add. Now here we have this checkbox state. So this is the checked one. So just I have to assign the value which I have created, check 9. So click here, okay, detach this, and now you can see this is visible because I have detached that. So now pass the value which is the check 9, it will get false and it is attached. Next, come to this skill set, prototype, and here you will see this select count 8. So instead of 8, just we have to give 9. That's it. And next, just need to add one more line here. So for adding here, just come this, and here we can set variable. So we created 9, and this should be true. So I will move this to up. So after it, 9. Now the next, the same way for the toggling this, I need to add here also. Just set variable 9, and it will be a false. So we'll drag to 9. Now the next, this is done. This is the final interaction. So instead of 8, which is taken from the previous one because I copied that, so here 8, instead I will give 9. So wherever I will see the 8 one, just we need to make it as a 9. Now I don't think so we have any. So now we'll preview this. So here the skill set, it is getting 9. Now I unchecked 8, 7, 6, select again, select all, total number of count is 9, total number of options is 9. So this is the easiest way to create indeterminate checkbox. Even you can make it as a subgroup, means user interface, and after that you can make it as a subgroup because this is in auto layout, so it is easy to move this the right and the left padding and make it as a subgroup. So uh, the simplest way to create indeterminate checkbox. How is the lesson? Please let me know. And this file is uploaded in Figma community. I will add the link in a description. For today, thank you very much.